I'm Kaylin Wagner-Marsh, and I want to welcome you to your beautiful new beach condo located just blocks away from Black's Beach. Come inside, let's take a look. What I love about this one bedroom, one bath corner unit is that it's situated within a smaller complex with low HOA dues. You'll also appreciate that it has in-unit laundry and has been meticulously maintained. You'll appreciate all the updates throughout this home and the fact that it has an open floor plan which is absolutely flooded in natural light. You don't want to miss the ample storage as well. I'm Kaylin Wagner-Marsh with Keller Williams Realty in Santa Cruz. I hope you loved this home just as much as I did. If you have any questions, feel free to reach me by phone or email. My number is 831-419-6538, and I hope to hear from you soon.